Good evening. Welcome. My name is Chin Pokémon. And today, ooh, look at all these packs of evolving skies. We're evolving today by opening evolving skies. I don't know what that means, but let's evolve away from that bad attempt of a joke and see if we can't pull something. Yeah. I already dug myself a grave, and that's okay. We're gonna pull an alt art today. I'm calling it right now. We are getting the alt art Rayquaza V. It's happening. If it doesn't, well, then I don't know what I'll do. I don't know, but it's gotta happen. Oop, that code card was lost. Got banished to the Shadow Realm. That's okay, because you guys already got it at home. Alright. Scraggles, Hippopotato, Timpolio, we got Litleo, Eevee, Rock and Roll, and then Apple Pie. Damn, son. Why can't we just get something decent? We're going to go through these a little bit fast just because we got a lot of packs. But I hope there's at least something in here, you know. Oops. Rock and Roll, Swablu, Zweilous, Smeargle. Cool. Hope you guys are having a great day. You know, hopefully you're enjoying life. Life is treating you, if not well, at least average. You know. Try and get a C or better in life would be nice. Got Chinchou and Lily Gant. Damn. So far, rough on the pools. It's very warm in here. I've got a nice coating of mustache sweat that's just pooling around my lip. It's very pleasant, I must say. Alright, I'm sweating balls. So far, what do we got here? What's this? Oh, okay. Thought there was a Coom stain on there, but it came off just fine. Got Dwebble, Lotad, and then a Thievul. Damn, dude. These packs suck. But it's alright. I believe we can still pull something. We can still salvage this. Alright. Another Rock and Roll. Flabs. The Drowsies. We just skipped a million cards there. Shiftry. Non-hollow. Rare. Ooh, have you ever tried that vertical code card though? Alright. I'm still waiting for something here. Got Woobats, Gossifleur, pulling a million cards at a time, because that's what all the cool kids are doing. Another code card. Man, Evolving Skies, dude. Give me some alt arts. I need them. Alright, let's see if we can do this. My hands, I gotta get them ready. Hippo, Lillipup. Oh, see, there it goes again. There it goes. Just pulling everything. Entei, Hollow. This is a really dope one though. I do like that. But unfortunately, we already got it. Another vertical code card. Ooh, this pack is loose. It's a loose. But I can't even open it. There we go. It has a loose anus. Alright. Gossifleur. There's a Fletchling. I think that's how you say it. Milotic and a Talonflame. Eat my ass, Talonflame. I don't want you. Whoop. I guess I don't want that code card either because it just went flying. just want one alt art, man. That's all I want. Got Pikachu, C-Dot, Lillipup, Bagoon, and then a Toad. We got a Toad. Big old nasty, noisy Toad. Alright, come on. Don't do this to me. Come on, Pokemans. Don't do this to me. Got Litleo, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpkaboo, Piranha Dude, and a Holo Hydreigon. Hide your kids, hide your wife, because we ain't pulling anything today. Oh, the pain, the pain. All right, come on. We still got plenty of chances. I still got a shot, man. I still believe. I got faith. Phoebus, Hitmonchan, Slackoth, Petalil, and Altaria. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. It's okay. We got this. I believe. We've opened up, I don't know how many packs. Not a single ultra rare or better. That's wild. My luck is not doing so hot right now. Alright, Lillipup is our reverse, and then a Holo Eldegoss. Holo rares though, we've been getting some of those. But ultra rares, man, they ain't here. Alright. Got Emolga, Tentacool. Got a burp. Trying to hold it in. Oop. This kind of came out. Pinsir. Code. Get your code. Yo, man. If we don't pull a single ultra rare, I don't know, man. I might have to call it quits. I may not be able to make YouTube videos anymore. Got C-Dot, Slackoth, Flababes, Salamence, and then Slacking. Holy shit, dude. I don't know, man. I'm not liking it. And we still got a few more packs left, but this is a pretty thick drought. Alright, Chinchou, Dino, Pumpkaboo, Carvana. Come on. Another apple. Another apple pie. Great. Just what I wanted. Okay. Come on, alt art. I'm feeling it. It's happening. Right now. You guys feel the energy? Never mind. I thought I did, but I was wrong. I was wrong. Yo, this has gotta be a record for the longest streak without pulling an ultra rare. I don't know, man. I don't know. Holo rares, though, we get those, but yo, man, come on. Give me something. We got 5 packs left. Alright. I believe right now. I believe. This is it. We're gonna break the curse. If I can pull these damn cards one at a time. Alright, nothing there. Damn. Maybe if I get aggressive with it, it'll learn. It'll learn to give me an alt art. Alright, Cryogonal, Petalil, Bergmite. There's a Drowsy, Copycat. Ampharos. There, I'll give it to you normal. Yo, man, what is going on? 3 packs left. Still no ultra rare yet. Gossifleur, Love Disc, Firebird, Electric Fish, Pyroar, and then another hollow rares, man. The hollow rares, but no ultra rares, dude. Dude, what the hell is happening? This ain't right. This ain't right. All right, last 2 packs. Can they wow us? Can they wow us? Here we go. Pumpkaboo, Bagon, the Lovey Disc, the C-Dot, Scrafty, and a Flapple. What the fuck? Why? Why is this happening? I didn't ask for this. Well, last pack. This is it. This is it. This is crazy. We're gonna make history today. Here we go. We got Cryogonal, Petalil, Burtmite, Mr. Drowsy, Scraggy, Ice Skew, and of course, for our final card, dude. Well, so let's recap that. We opened up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 packs of Evolving Skies. And we pulled 0. Actually, it's more like this from that that reaming I just got for no ultra rares, but that's okay. You know what? It's just the joy of opening cards. That's fine. That's fine. It's dope. Yep. I guess that's all I got because I ain't got nothing. I appreciate you guys, you know, sticking through the pain with me. You know, checking out the video. So hopefully we get better luck next time. But I think that's gonna do it. So hope you all have a good one, and I'll see you guys later.